If you're thinking about moving to the greater Myrtle Beach, South Carolina area, and if you're looking for one-level living with open concept with plenty of rooms to either have an office or to have friends and family come visit, then stick around because today we're going to be touring one of the most popular floor plans here in the greater Myrtle Beach area, and we're going to check it out right now. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Nick, and on this channel, I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area, and I'm a real estate agent, so of course I talk about the real estate. So if you are thinking about relocating to the area, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and tap the little notification bell while you're at it. This way you could be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every single day from people just like you who are moving to the area. So if you ever have any questions or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. You can always use the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, today we're going to be checking out this Cali floor plan by DR Horton. So one of the most popular floor plans that they build them all over the beach. So whether you're looking to be on the north end, the south end, in the middle, you'll be able to find this home. Now this year, they just started building them with the front porch, which is a nice addition. They used to look more like this home right here. That might be a different floor plan, but it looked similar. But it gives this home some nice character. And this isn't your standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, though when you first walk in, it certainly might look like it. So you have a little coat closet here right in the entranceway. And then what you're going to see with these 2 bedrooms in the front is they're going to look like your standard 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom where you have a bedroom in the front. You have the bathroom splitting up the next bedroom right behind it. But there's something unique about this floor plan, and that is that it's a 4-bedroom. So you do have a nice little linen closet right here in the hallway as well for some extra storage. And then this is where the floor plan is going to be a little bit different. So you do have a 4th bedroom here that a lot of people like to use as an office, though it does have a door, it does have a closet. So it truly is a 4th bedroom, which a lot of people absolutely love. There's also a really big storage closet here. So whether you want to add shelves or just use this to pile Christmas boxes in, it's really nice to have that. And then directly across from here, you have a laundry room. It's not the biggest laundry room, but it's plenty big to fit your washer and dryer, and maybe have a little bit of storage in here as well. Now, before we get into the main section of the home, I do want to show you this garage. It's a little bit bigger than your standard garage. I'm not sure if that's coming across on the video here, but you do have a little bit of extra width on either end, a little bit of extra depth, so you can have some storage in here and easily still fit 2 cars. You also do have a pull down there in the garage as well. That's mainly to get access to the HVAC system, but there is some extra flooring for some storage as well. And that pull down is going to come in every level of DR Horton's home except the express homes. You will still have a hole to get up there, but you'd have to use your own ladder in the express homes. So again, this home is all 1 level. In this community we're currently in Heather Glen up in Little River, it is a gas community, so you have a gas range there. Really big eat-in kitchen area. You can easily fit a full-size dining table there. And then it's open concept, but your living room is a little bit recessed, so it's separated while still giving you that open concept feel. A lot of people absolutely love this floor plan because it's not too big. It's just under 1,800 heated square feet. You do have a nice screened-in patio area out here. My clients who bought this home, they do have a nice private yard with the woods in the back. So there's some really great options for this home, again, throughout the entire Myrtle Beach area. Here's the primary suite in the back. They do have the laminate planks coming through the primary instead of having carpet, so that's definitely a nice touch. A dual sink vanity here, stand-up shower. You do have a linen closet in here as well. toilet closet, and then a nice sized walk-in closet in this Cali floor plan as well. Again, this is one of the most popular floor plans. I know I keep saying that, but you can find this floor plan in almost any DR Horton community, whether you want to go inland to Conway, down south a little bit. This is a really popular community up here on the north end, Heather Glen. I know I promised you guys a tour of this community. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below because that's going to be coming shortly. To talk a little bit about the pricing of the home, my clients got this one here in Heather Glen for about $350,000. That is with the elevation with the front porch. So without the front porch, you might pay like $10,000 less than that here in this community. That's going to be about the average price point as well, right? So if you head inland to Conway a little bit, some of the communities where they're doing the express homes with a little bit less features, you can expect to pay the low 300s for this Cali floor plan. Some other communities where they're building the higher end homes, you might pay closer to $400,000 for this home. Again, there's going to be options for everybody. It's nice because you do have that additional bedroom without having to add a second floor. It's not too big, it's not too small, and a lot of people really like this floor plan. And as we're wrapping up this tour here, I realized I forgot to point out the nice big corner pantry. So there's a lot of cabinets in this home, huge pantry. You can easily add some more shelves down below or up above. Again, lots of cabinets, lots of counter space. This is a new construction home, so it doesn't come with the fridge or the washer and dryer. But if you'd like some more information on this home, on this community, or any home here in Myrtle Beach, or if you're ready to buy your home here in Myrtle Beach, then I would love to be the one to help you out. As always, you can use the first link down in the description to see my calendar and schedule a call with me. I'm looking forward to speaking with you. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.